our instruction, Ma'am Ana Briolo. Today, I will define the types of computers and different kinds of computer. So let's start with supercomputers. A supercomputer is a highly advanced computer that performs at or near the highest operational rate for computers. Traditionally, supercomputers has been used for scientific and engineering applications that must handle massive databases and perform a great amount of computation or both. Next is the mainframe computers. A mainframe computer, informally called a mainframe or big iron, is a computer used primarily by large organizations for critical applications like data processing for tasks such as censuses, industry and consumer statistics, enterprise resources, planning, and large-scale transaction processing. A mainframe computer is large but not as large as a supercomputer and has more processing power than some other classes of computers, such as mini computers, servers, workstation, and personal computers. Most large-scale computer system architectures were established in the 1960s, but they continue to evolve. Mainframe computers are often used as servers. Moving on to the servers. A server is a computer or system that provides resources, data, services, or programs to other computers, known as clients over a network. In theory, whenever computers share resources with client machines, they are considered servers. There are many types of servers: file servers, print servers, application servers, DNS servers, mail servers, web servers, database servers, virtual servers, proxy servers, monitoring and management servers. Next is workstation. Workstations are computers that are specifically configured to meet the most demanding technical computing requirements. To be considered a workstation system must include key capabilities related to performance, reliability, data integrity, scalability, and expandability. Workstations are most frequently used in creative, engineering, scientific, and financial service industries. Moving on to the net-top computer. A net-top computer is a small, inexpensive, and low-power desktop computer designed for basic tasks like web browser, email, and simple productivity applications, essentially the desktop counterpart of a netbook. Moving on to the desktop computer. A desktop computer, often abbreviated or desktop, is a personal computer designed for regular use at a stationary location on or near a desk, as opposed to a portable computer. Due to its size and power requirements, the most common configuration has a case that houses the power supply, motherboard, a printed circuit board with a microprocessor as the central processing unit, memory, bus, certain peripherals, and other electronic components. Disk storage, usually one or more hard disk drives, solid-state drives, optical disk drive, and in early models, floppy disk drives, a keyboard and mouse for input, and a monitor, speakers, and often a printer for output. The case may be oriented horizontally or vertically and placed either underneath, beside, or on top of a desk. Next is tablet. A tablet is a mobile device, typically with a mobile operating system, touchscreen, display processing circuitry, and a rechargeable battery in a single, thin and flat package. Tablets, being computers, have similar capabilities but lack some input-output abilities that others have. Modern tablets largely resemble modern smartphones, the only difference being that tablets are relatively larger than smartphones, with screens 7 inches or larger, measured diagonally, and may not support access to a cellular network. Moving on to the laptop. A laptop computer or netbook computer is a small portable personal computer. Laptops typically have a clamshell form factor with a flat panel screen on the inside of the upper lid and an alphanumeric keyboard and pointing device on the inside of the lower lid. Most of the computer's internal hardware is in the lower part under the keyboard. Although many modern laptops have a built-in webcam at the top of the screen, and some even feature a touchscreen display. In most cases, unlike tablet computers, which run on mobile operating system, laptops tend to run on desktop operating system, which were originally developed for desktop computer. Next is smartphones. A smartphone is a mobile device that combines the functionality of a traditional mobile phone with advanced computing capabilities. It typically has a touchscreen interface allowing users to access a wide range of applications and services, such as web browsing, email, and social media, as well as multimedia playback and streaming. Smartphones have built-in cameras, GPS navigation, and support for various communication methods, including voice calls, text messaging, and internet-based messaging apps. Smartphones are distinguished from older design features phones by their more advanced hardware capabilities and extensive mobile operating system access to the internet, business application, mobile payments, and multimedia functionality, including music, video, gaming, radio, and television. Moving on to the wearable computers. A wearable computer, also known as a body-worn computer, is a computing device worn on the body. The definition of the wearable computer may be narrow, broad, extending to smartphones or even ordinary wristwatches. Wearables may be for general use, in which case they are just a particular small example of mobile computing. Alternatively, they may be for a specialized purpose such as fitness trackers. They may incorporate special sensors such as accelerometers, heart rate monitors, or on the more advanced side, electrocardiogram, and blood oxygen saturation monitors. Under the definition of wearable computers, we also include novel users interfaces such as Google Glass, an optical head-mounted display controlled by gesture. It may be that specialized wearables will evolve into general all-in-one devices, as happened with the convergence of PDAs and mobile phones into smartphones. Next is the portable computers. A portable computer is a computer that can be moved from one place to another. There are monitors and keyboards built into these computers, but they are also available as standalone units. A few other names for them are lunchbox computers, legible computers, mobile computers, and portable workstation. The term portable computer is commonly used for technicians to refer to machines that are neither ultra-portable nor desktop in size. Many handheld PCs are large enough to necessitate the addition of handles or some other means of modification in order to facilitate easier portability. Moving on to the ebook readers. An ebook reader is a handheld electronic device primarily designed for reading digital books and periodicals, often featuring an e-ink display for a paper-like reading experience and long battery life. Moving on to the digital audio players. A portable media player or digital audio player is a portable consumer electronics device capable of storing and playing digital media such as audio, images, and video files.